Before you approve the final budget for your renovation, that new kitchen, the finished basement, or a significant home addition, you need to understand the invisible financial pressure currently affecting your material costs. This isn't just trade news, it's a new tax reality for steel, and it's directly impacting every construction project across North America. We are tracking a significant high-stakes trade dynamic between the US and Canada, where tariffs, essentially taxes on imports, are fundamentally reshaping the economic landscape of construction. Here is the precise mechanism. The Trump administration recently intensified pressure by using Section 232 authority to impose a substantial 50% tariff on steel imports from numerous countries, including its trade partner Canada. While intended to support domestic producers, the immediate effect is clear: a sudden, massive increase in the cost of foreign steel and the manufactured goods that rely on it for American buyers. This action triggered a reciprocal response from Canada, which implemented a 25% surtax on a targeted list of U.S.-origin steel and aluminum products. This dynamic establishes a volatile, two-way taxation system. It means that a raw material component could be subject to the 50% duty entering the U.S., and then, as a finished part, face the 25% surtax returning to Canada for assembly. This policy is not confined to the raw materials sector. Consider a major American appliance manufacturer relying on Canadian-made steel components. They now bear that 50% import premium on their core input. This increase is a cost that is invariably passed through the supply chain, directly elevating the retail price of your new stainless steel refrigerator, oven, or high-efficiency furnace. To put this in renovation terms, steel and aluminum are essential to the structural integrity and functionality of your home. We're tracking significant cost movements in structural steel beams necessary for load-bearing walls, aluminum framing for high-end window and door systems, and critical components within your HVAC and plumbing infrastructure. A major renovation project is seeing an unavoidable escalation in material costs across its entire critical path. The most significant challenge created by these tariffs is the ensuing uncertainty. Business investment thrives on a stable, predictable environment. The continuous threat of new import duties or the sudden removal of trade exemptions forces suppliers and contractors to hedge against financial risk. This directly translates into higher than normal price volatility and increased contingency costs within your project, leading to a palpable chill on new investment across the entire North American manufacturing and construction sector. This complex policy environment imposes a non-negotiable tax on the supply chain, and it is ultimately absorbed by the end consumer.